Everybody, it's me, Carrie with MemoryInkers.com. I just wanted to do a quick tip video on the new Cling stamp sets. This is different than what we used to call the clear mount. This is now the Cling mount. This stamp set happens to be called Just Because. It's one of the new Hostess sets that will be available in the 2019 Occasions catalog. But what I wanted to show you was how to get the stickers on them. So this is going to look, pretty similar to what you're used to, a sticker sheet and then the rubber that pops out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this one out. And I'm still holding on to this piece when I'm done, and I'll show you why. Now this is where I would trim it out. I know that you don't need to, but you know me, I trim. So hold on just a minute. Okay, so here I am again. Talking with you about the stickers. As you can see, I just trimmed a little. Stampin' Up! Is actually getting really good about trimming even closer than they used to, but I know me, and I need, I just make a mess. So anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about how to put on the labels for your stamps. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel the backing off, just like you did previously. And then you're going to peel off the sticker. Now, these stickers are very sticky, so you want to make sure you've actually got a hold of the sticker. Pull it all the way off, and then you're going to peel off half. Okay, this is just my little tip for getting it to lay right. Now, whatever you do, don't fold this all the way over, because when I'm saying sticky, we are not kidding. These puppies stick. Which is great because that's how they stay on your blocks. So now what I do is, I'm hoping y'all can see this good because it's really hard to do it in the air. I kind of set on this piece that has the paper backing, and I get it to where it looks even. Then I can lay this piece down, and it's on there really perfect. And then all you have to do is roll this back, keep your finger in place so that they don't touch. Trust me, from experience, you don't want them to touch. It was a nightmare. So there you go. Now these are super, super sticky. They will stick directly to your box, but I will tell you that some people, especially with like the little word stamp sets, they can stick to this really good. So what I am doing now is saving the backing for this. Let me show you on another stamp. This is the Beauty Abounds stamp set, and I've already done all of my cutting and trimming, and what I have done is I've kept the back, and then I saved this backing piece from here. And I trimmed it down a little bit, so I'm hoping I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've trimmed it a little bit because then the foam holds it in place inside the box, but then they lift out a little bit easier. And trust me when I say that that's really a good thing. Those are my tips for the awesome new Cling mount stamps or Cling stamps. You're going to love them. They are just truly sticky, and it's awesome. So, all right, that's it for my Tip Time Tuesday. I can't wait for you guys to see the Occasions catalog. If you want a copy, let me know. Contact me right away. MemoryInkers.com, MemoryInkers@att.net. Okay, thanks. Bye.